Hello everybody. So if you saw my post here on YouTube, unfortunately that Hoover I recently got came damaged. I noticed it 2 days later. It was underneath the base plate where it gets the most wear, is over the belt guard, and he had to return it. So you guys probably saw the replacement. It's finally here. It's the Bissell surfacesense pet. I've used it for a little bit now. Sorry if you hear any noise upstairs. But anyways, I used it for, I did TikTok. If you're not following me on TikTok, I'm on there. It's the Vat King. I just used it there and I use it off camera, and this thing's already amazing me already. Surface Sense actually does work on it, which is good. Because I have that, if you've been with me the whole time, I have that Hoover React, and I think the sensors are in the wheels. But the sensor's actually underneath the base plate. And it seems to react better than the Hoover. Even though I still enjoy my Hoover React. I haven't used it in a while, but I don't know, maybe this Surface Sense maybe is a little bit better. I don't know. But yeah, already I'm impressed with this machine. So underneath, if I can, geez, oh no, there's so much crap down here, I swear. Anyways, underneath, obviously you have 2 rows of brushes. You have these stiff blue ones right here for the carpet, and then you have this like softer, it's a little bit stiff, but softer white bristles for the hardwood floors on it, which is nice. You have this nice felt strip right here in the back as well. It does have like these nice bright LED headlights right up in front, and it says Smart Seal Allergen System right here. It has a nice bissell. It's not like red or anything. It's like this nice modern look color to it, which I like. Obviously it's a bagless. You actually twist off this top lid to get the access to the foam filter, unlike, like a catch right here, but it's fine, it doesn't bother me. Then you also got your other filter underneath here, which twists, unlocks, there you go. I don't know if this is washable or not. It might be. Oh dear, I gotta be careful with this right here. Anyways, it goes back together. I still have to get, used to it. Got used to this lip right here not being in the way. I just gotta learn to put it over like that. Here, like that. Then click it in. The tools you get the pet turbo eraser tool, which I like this design of the tool, unlike the other ones, like on the, let's just say the newer Clean Views. Those are just horrible, but these are not bad at all from my experience. So it's nice to have that. Up here at the handle, towards the handle, you got this nice soft dusting brush with these little rubber teeth. If someone could explain to me why they do this, like, this is not the only pet vacuum I've had that has these rubber teeth on the dusting brush. If you know why, let me know, because I'm just curious, because I don't know. Maybe deal with pet hair, obviously, but I don't know. Then the crevice tool, that if you put it on the wand, but I don't have it on, I can just press the button, it lights up, which I think is a nice little touch. And you got these little rubber teeth right here at the end to, scrub at the pet hair that's stuck in your corners. Yes, it does have a wand, and I like this too. Like, if you're using the hose or the wand, you have this clip system underneath here that holds the hose in place, just like my Eureka Floor Rover does. But yeah, you got a nice long hose, got a nice long wand. This is Bissell on it, which I think is a nice touch. Backwards, but there. And then it all clips in nicely, just like that. And also down here you got your remove hose. Which way do you twist it? There you go. Twist it that way, and then there you go. Got access to the hose in case it gets blocked underneath there, or in there, or whatever. But anyways, enough of me. Oh, another thing too. If you don't want the other filter in there, this is just a regular filter. You have this Febreze filter, which is nice, but I'm not been really a fan of the Febreze filter. So, oh, you even get suction control. Up here, if you have like thick carpet, you can open the vents in there and the handle. But anyways, enough of me talking. I'm going to show this running now. So yeah, if you noticed how it like slowed down the brush as soon as it hit the floor, that's obviously the surface sense technology that kicks into play, and then you come back on the carpet, it speeds right back up. So that's the one thing I really like about this machine. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video of my Bissell Surface Sense pet, please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos from me, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.